guys, it's Izzy here. Move back some. So I am doing an unboxing video today. So I got a package from eBay. It is coming from Lutz, Florida, and I'm very excited. So I don't think I've ever bought any kind of clothes on eBay before. So this is my first time. I've sold clothes, but I've never bought any. So this is the first time. So I'm kind of nervous, I guess. So we're gonna see like my live reaction. I buy stuff on eBay all the time, but just not clothes. So let's get into opening this package. I have my handy dandy children's scissors. These aren't my iconic ones, the little red ones, because I lost those. I really think I had them in a box that I unpackaged, and I think the box got thrown out, so it's probably at a dump somewhere. The little red children's scissors, I love those things. I hope I find them someday. So I just have these pink scissors now. I don't know why I use children's scissors. I just do because I feel like if I accidentally like cut my hand or something, it won't hurt as bad. I don't know. And oh my gosh, I can see inside, so I will give y'all a sneak peek. There we go. Oh my gosh, here's one. These are vintage from the 70s. So here's one of the shoes. Now, I'm very scared about this heel because I haven't worn heels like that in a while. And I don't know if these are real leather or not. So if they are, I'm sorry. And here's our other one. They are so pretty. I can't wait to wear these with dresses. I have another dress. Not another, but I have a dress coming from eBay as well, and I think these will go perfectly, so I may wear those. So that is this unboxing video. I know it was really short, but I just wanted to show all these shoes because I really like them, and I'm gonna try them on, but y'all are gonna see that. You have to wait to see them on my Instagram. Name on the screen. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, comment, rate, and subscribe, and remember to share my video. Bye!